Okay. People wanted me to make Swiss steak.
Daddy, you good?
And so I thought I'd make a video and show you how it's made. With I use different variants of steak here. You can do it different.
You put this on YouTube?
This is what you do. And you take it and you cut it up into little squares like this. Little odd shaped things here. And then once you get that all done, then you get that done, then you brown it. Don't cook it all the way through. You just brown it. Because I thought that was kind of professional and stuff. Just cut it up.
Yeah.
Dad's making some Swiss steak.
Shapes.
If you can tell by the title of the video.
Do it then.
Too bad.
This is a thin one, but what the hell? This is how you make Swiss steak. All that stinking meat and stuff. People always asking me, how do you make Swiss steak? Well, they never do it, so I have to make it all the time. This way I won't have to. And one guy that said, I never heard of red Swiss steak. That's the kind that I make. They're always saying, well, how do you make it? It's easy. And after you see this, you'll know too how to do it. Very easy to do. Even a baby can do it. Nice round steak. Little shapes like such, you know. You gotta, depends on how much you want to make too. I'm making for a big family, so I gotta make all this meat here. You might have a little family, so you only have to use a regular pan. You don't have to use so much meat. I have to cook like for a king and all that shit.
No.
Yeah. Almost done. Just got this one to do, and then I can start the next step, you know. Ew. You don't want to keep that unless you want to. When you get done with the steak, usually you have like mashed potatoes, but you can have anything you want, because the steak like makes its own red gravy like. Okay. Now you got all this meat here. You see all that? Now, go to the next step. The pan. For me, I get a pan like this. You know? Big family. So you use a pan like that. Put a little oil in it. Oh yeah, you have to flour it too. Put the pan over here. Get some flour. Kids, you know? And you take it, put your stove on at medium, and you flour it. cook it all the way through. I could come back to this later when I have all this done, so I can show you what the next step would be, because this is all going to have to cook like this. You know what you have to do. How to make Swiss steak. If it's bleeding and stuff, perfect, because blood and stuff make the steak. You get flavor. You won't even taste it, but it tastes good. You leave it in there. If you're grossed out by that stuff, just overlook your mind to get rid of it and just go on cooking and doing, because it's really great after you're done. Let that brown for a few minutes, seconds, whatever.
Making a mess.
What? That comes part of making the steak. Just like that meat mess right there. See? You make all that steak, you know? Feel bad about Yankee Grandpa.
Yeah, it was a very sad thing.
Yeah. We were loyal fans up to the end.
Very loyal fans.
And so, he inspired us to make our own video. Think of that. And no, we're not just looking for money, all the money and stuff. We're looking for, well, the fun of it all. And informative, you know, it's like people don't know how to make Swiss steak, so I'm showing them how to make Swiss steak. And what easier way than making a video out of it. Needs a little bit more oil, I see.
I don't think my foot do all the time.
I got a big family to cook for, and mainly it's that creature over there.
What?
He's been eating macaroni and cheese, and yet he's even going to eat Swiss steak.
No,
I'm only on
Bottomless pit.
For you.
But I could do a raw hamburger challenge. Doesn't bother me.
He's scared.
Should. I could eat
All hamburger
10 pounds. Doesn't bother me.
He's scared to fight me.
But you,
He
it would bother. This is the part that's a lot of work.
Another member of the family.
Oh my God, stop!
Not cook for.
Swiss steak?
Yeah. Camera shy, but we don't care.
I'm not.
I know you're not. So how's your dad's Swiss steak taste?
Very good.
In Beaver Dam.
What's that?
Beaver Dam, Wisconsin.
Oh, okay.
That's where I
I'm
learned.
eating.
There's a little trailer park where we lived.
Guys, again.
You eating too?
Yeah.
Is your girlfriend?
Stop! Stop!
You're on candy camera.
Stop!
I know there's people out there
Hello?
that like to burn the shit out of their mouth. So they would put they're burning shit in. It doesn't improve the flavor, it just burns the shit out of your mouth. But you could put the spices and shit that make burning possible. You could put it in there. But me, I don't care about that kind of effect. So I'm going to put the basic spices in there. Seasoned salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder.
It smells delicious.
Yeah. And now to the next step, pour it in. You pour it in until it is it's covered in tomato juice. Of course, you can use any kind of tomato juice.
I will put this in there.
Cover it up to be about like that. Then
Oh, shiny.
there's a big spoon. Then stir it up. Put a cover on it. Use this. Put your oven to
1,000.
say 400 degrees.
Everybody looks.
400 degrees. Put it in the oven for about hour to 2 hours.
We have to wait that long?
An hour or 2 hours, or until it is done. Okay, here's the finished product.
I like the
After
door.
about 2 hours or so. Here's my spoon.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, why don't you bring those over here?
Full.
Put them on a
Yeah.
plate.
So what? Oh, I thought it was potato. You use the sauce for gravy.
Then you take mashed potatoes.
This is a great. Oh.
Some mashed potatoes. Now this right here, it's good for gravy. Put that on.
It's
there.
awesome for gravy.
What's it look like on
That
camera?
is Swiss steak.
And it tastes awesome. You need to try it. It's the best ever.
Leave me out of it. It's really good.
Thank you for watching. Don't move me around.
Thank you. Thank you,
If you
Marcy.
like it, if you want me to do more, I'll make
Let's go.
mashed potatoes or something.
That's funny.